Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hey Chavez.
Yes.
Look, yeah, we're vlogging fishing, bruh.
Actually?
Yeah.
What the?
Yeah, I always vlog fishing except for the last 2 Yo, I'm vlogging.
I need some water, man.
Yo, Josh, here. Josh, come here, come here. Food is right here, man. You want dental sticks or do you want Beneful dog food? What did you say? Yo, we're almost there. Yo, Mother Teresa, look over here. We here, bro. Josh, what did you say? I was recording.
Okay. Triple check.
I tripled. Nah, he's gonna get leaked. Yo, this looks like the beginning of a horror movie, man. My camera through Dale. Horror movie camera?
Bro,
Looks like this shit. It smells like garbage here. Oh, it's so. Oh, over here is good, man. Oh, actually, over here. Yeah. Over here. Go piss in the forest. Huh? Alright. Okay, we're gonna try making a fire without fire starter, bro.
We got it.
Yep.
Keep it up, Josh.
Yo, why are you recording upwards?
Oh, should I do it like this?
Yeah. Like that picture over there.
Bro, just put the whole thing in there. Fire horizontal, man. What if I drop Andre's phone in there?
It's fine, that's advice.
Cut that out, bro. Cut that out. Nope. No! Like this? There.
Yeah. Is it recording?
I would like to think so.
You know, you could put it in front facing, and then you can yeah.
Oh shit, right?
Greg, where did you catch?
There you go.
Man,
There.
you guys are wasting the wood.
Oh, we're freaking real men out here, man. Shut up, Greg.
Closer, man.
What are you talking about, bro? Hey, watch out, bro. Watch out, man.
Did you use all the sticks?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, not all the sticks at once,
No. There's a rubber band there. Just save those.
There's a what?
There's a rubber band holding them together. You know, you can look for look. There's a dry stick over there. You can keep scavenging around.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll bring fish on the table.
Ooga booga. Okay, let's cook hot dogs. You guys want to cook hot dogs?
I got a beef.
What is that?
Good job, Mac.
What is that?
Very nice.
Is that walleye?
This is big.
Oh shit, it's walleye.
Pretty big. Look at that. What a beauty. Right, Mac? And Chavez? Mac.
Why is it, dude, horizontally?
Oh shit.
Like a bell.
Write that bitch up, man.
Yo, we should really start keeping this shit.
Now we're keeping that joint, bro.
Write that bitch up right now. Give that
True,
shit to
man.
me.
We're gonna eat that, bro.
Yo, the fire's almost out there.
Joshua!
That's why put it in a triangle, man. This is a triangle. No, it's not. Alright, boys, we got the hot dogs. Joshua just ate tinfoil.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, oh, actually, it's pretty good. They got 2 hot dogs cooking. My pet fish is over there. Gotta eat him later.
No, we're gonna fight that bitch.
Yo, there's a freaking wolf here, bruh.
Oh!
Hey, are you dumb, Josh?
He is retarded.
Your shoes are gonna catch on fire. There's a freaking nice dog here, bruh. Hello. This idiot could not hold the fire up. Josh and the dog. This dog's chilling with us, bruh.
Yo, this stuff's huge.
Yeah, he's huge.
Bigger than Kaiser, Greg. No way.
Okay, I'm gonna reload. I missed another fish. Yeah, I got you. Okay, wait.
Look at this. Paprika.
No, in this big part, bruh.
What do you have? Spices.
Just in case, man. Here, we're gonna cast out. Dog's chewing.
Where are you gonna run, Josh?
Run home.
Oh, more, Josh, more! Yeah, hold up.
You good? You got my water jug?
Yep.
Yo, look at this boy. He's just chilling with us. Yo, dab me up. Dab me up.
Last time I came here.
Yo, look at how big his paws are. Yo, what's up, bud? Yeah. You act like Revo. You act like Revo, do you? Yeah, you do. What's your name?
He's gonna bust your whole fucking head off.
Nah, he won't. What's your name, bud?
One more time.
Alright, I missed another fish, man. Oh, that's perfect, Dale.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
it's still on the ground? I can get it. Oh, there's spikes on it, though.
yeah.
Twist it around. Oh, shit. Man, when that dog was approaching me, man, I'm like, oh my god. Oh, what's up? Oh yeah, boys. That's how you play Minecraft IRL, bruh. Oh my god, you got so much leaves. Okay, while those boys go out there, I'm trying to find my matches. Okay, it's over here. I'm not telling Josh though. Not telling Josh. Focus! It's not focusing. Shit. Yo, the leaves are burning out. Did you get like? Oh, nice catch, man. Play that. Oh, is my thing ringing again?
Oh, beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful.
Yo, I think my thing is ringing again. Unless that's Greg.
I think that's yours.
Oh. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, I'm gonna check if my fish is still here, man. And it looks like it is still here. Perfect. Coming home, not coming home empty-handed. Recording.
What?
What? What?
Yeah, get this.
Fish
What's
line.
this?
There's no fish in line,
Hold up.
Josh.
Why is this bit not on? It looks like a. Looks a little sketchy. Hold on. It's not turning on there. Andre.
Are you good? You're a good dog.
Don't throw it.
Okay, we're gonna play some Minecraft again. Looking for goddamn sticks. Oh, thank God for autumn falls. Chuck some chips in there. Here, I got one. Here, I got it. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that was mine.
I need that setup, yeah. There.
Yo, what is that? Oh, I see. I told you it was a goldeye.
It's a shark.
First goldeye. Oh, is that a goldeye? No, that's a fucking walleye.
It's a shark.
Oh shit.
Hey, it's a shark. Why is it blurry? What in the world? What if I give it chocolate right now?
Yo, Josh, is that
What?
Is that over here? No!
Look at that. Let me see, Andre.
Another walleye, baby.
Yo, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in.
You're-
Yeah.
It's sharp as hell. Say for real.
Yo, the fire's dying, but I'm gonna turn into a fish.
Oh god, I got it. Okay. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hell yeah! Yo! Hey, come with me, Dale.
Hello, snow bear.
Put these guys on the stringer. This is my other one.
Oh, for real? Oh, yeah. Shit.
Other one.
Is this alive?
Yeah.
Shut up, bro. Yo, that's mine, bro.
What?
That's mine.
You told me to get one.
I thought you were gonna feed it to the dog. Oh, shit.
Fuck. Don't fucking run away. You're drowning Dale, bro. Oh my god. I wanna get there.
Wow.
And then we get through.
your dog, man?
Bro, you don't have to press Greg wants power bait.
I want power baiter.
In your head.
In your head, you dumb.
Yeah. Yeah.
There you go. Oh yeah. There you go. On the minnow. Right on the minnow, bro.
Andre, let's get the fire back going.
Where'd Doug go? Oh, it's right there. I gotta see what's wrong with my line, man. Oh, there's what's wrong with it. Yeah, I found what's wrong with it. I found what was wrong with it. Look, it's right here. Yeah, I gotta fix this shit. Hey. Hey, come here. Let's go. Let's go, Doggo. Alright then, if he doesn't want it, let's go. Alright, Dale. Over here, man, I was vlogging right here. I said... Oh, someone's leaving.
Right here.
Yeah, right here. Holy sh! Maybe that's where the source of the smell is, bruh.
For real?
Nah. I'm joking. Hey, look from Warwood too, man.
Casual.
Okay, can I see how much matches I have, Josh?
Got a lot, bro.
Damn.
Got a lot.
Looks like weed. Hey, come here. Come. He knows what come is, obviously. Look.
What?
Josh, okay,
I got
kneel
it.
down. Yeah, you got it. 2 matches at a time, bro.
Yeah, of course. 2 matches equals.
Here, man.
Oh, is that my bell again? Bro, am I catching something again, man? Can Greg catch something?
Hopefully. Hit me up, bro. Hit me up.
We can't see shit with this. Oh, there's the bell. Last time it was this dark, it was at Borden. There, see? Josh, stop using 2 at a time, man. Use 1 at a time. Use one.
Here, fine, I'll use one.
Use 1.
Here. Little bitch.
There.
Oh, yeah.
This is Greg's frigging.
Where the hell is it?
No, it's Ghost there.
Maybe I might end a bit.
Ouch, nigga, that shit burnt me.
Alright.
Something is biting my tip, man.
Something?
Nothing.
Oh my god, that's your keys. Why? I thought it was the bell again. Candy's talking of mice and men, Josh. Man, that's sad. Okay, hopefully one more catch for the road, man. And then we get to bunk those fishes with the rock.
Hey, this is for the tear. What the hell?
Which one? Is that yours?
No, mine is the 2 red ones.
Dude, that's not any of ours, man.
Oh, really?
Wait, Greg, get that shit.
Burn it here. Oh, my.
I think yours is still there, Greg.
Andre, can you bring the dog here so I can pet him? Can't talk to dogs, Andre.
Today or what, man?
Did your brother just use that? The same setup, Greg? Just a jig head?
When we were on the boat.
Ah, okay. Because that's usually a lure, bruh. But it's fine, it could work.
I'll bring the doggo here.
Man, it's snoring.
Probably doesn't know, it's so fat.
Yeah, probably. Or, you know, people feed it everything.
The dogs even see?
Yeah, we're leaving now.
Okay, I caught 2 fish today.
I caught 2 fish. Shut the hell up, Josh. Okay, did we forget anything? Yep, my virginity. Bye. Smiling at us.
Bye-bye.
Uh-oh. Yeah, it's gone. Back in Stoon, baby. Hey, where are we at, Josh?
Alberta.
Calgary.
We're in Calgary, bruh.
New Mexico.
New Mexico? Where's our driver, man? He just dipped. Oh, he came out of the ground. Man, Janice, I caught 2, man. You should have came. I caught 2. 2 walleye. God damn.
Never takes it.
But you're the only one in the kitchen.
There's 2 people in the kitchen.
What if you're the only one there? You're like, I don't know if this is working. I was like, huh? You're the only one there.
Yeah. Yeah, I am.
Oh, from here?
Yeah, from the top. Let's see if you get lucky. Free. Oh, no, it's black.
Oh, man.
And next one. No, next one's good. Next one's free.
Oh!
Nah, it's magenta. Man. Bye.